Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical guide on how to withdraw USDT from your Trust wallet directly to your bank account in 2025. If you're new to crypto, USDT is a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar, making it a reliable way to hold value without the wild price swings of other cryptocurrencies. Whether you're cashing out investments or just need some fiat, this step-by-step tutorial will make it straightforward and stress-free. Let's jump right in. First, ensure you have the Trust Wallet app installed on your device and that your USDT is securely stored there. Open the app and navigate to your USDT wallet. Double-check your balance to confirm you have enough to withdraw. Remember, USDT might be on different networks like ERC20 or BEP20, so verify that first to avoid any transfer issues. Next, since Trust Wallet doesn't directly support bank withdrawals, you'll need to send your USDT to a reputable crypto exchange that offers fiat withdrawal options, like Binance or Coinbase. Head to the Send feature in Trust Wallet, enter the exchange's USDT wallet address, and specify the amount. Pro tip: always double-check the address and network to prevent costly mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Once your USDT arrives at the exchange, log into your account and go to the trading section. Sell your USDT for your local currency, such as USD or EUR. This step might involve a small fee, so keep an eye on that. After the sale, navigate to the withdrawal area on the exchange platform. Here, select your bank account as the destination. You'll need to have your bank details verified in advance, which could include KYC processes. Enter the amount, confirm the withdrawal, and wait for the funds to process, typically 1 to 5 business days, depending on the exchange and your bank. Finally, once the money hits your account, you're all set. Always be cautious of fees, taxes, and security best practices, like using two-factor authentication. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips and tricks. See you in the next video.